फुडल्या 4 दिसांत राज्यातल्या कांय भागांनी पावस पडपाची शक्यताय आसा, मात जोरदार पावसाची कांय शिटकावणी ना. 6 जुना उपरांत राज्यात पावस सुरू जातलो तेन्ना राज्यातले सामसूम जाग्याचेर जोरदार पावसाचो अदमास आसा, अशी माहिती वेधशाळेचे अधिकारी मोहनलाल साहू हांणी दिल्या. आरडेक्स गोवा ब्युरो रिपोर्ट.
That offshore trough, due to which we received very good rain day before yesterday, has moved away, but there is one upper air cyclonic circulation over South Maharashtra coast and neighborhood. So due to that system, light to moderate rainfall will occur in Goa for next 4 days at few places. And there is no warning for heavy rainfall for these 4 days. Then on 6th, there is widespread rainfall activity will be there, and heavy rainfall is possible at isolated places.